Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well. Let's see if we can go live. There's a bit of a connection issue there. Okay. Can you guys drop your pairs for the day? And let's see what we're gonna find today. How's my sound going? Can you guys confirm how the sound is? And then we'll take it from there. Thank you, Ethan. Looks like my sound is perfect. Now let's see what we've got for the day. You guys can also drop your comments on the side, see which pairs we can dive into, and then we will take it from there. Okay, so looking at yesterday, we had a pretty decent trade on, let's start here at the top. We had a pretty decent trade on the USD Swiss franc, which hit 7R. And then we had good gold trade. I see it maxed out at just under 11R. And then the GU trade looks like and we just missed the entry for the short, but we didn't finish that analysis. And then we had this UJ trade, which went extreme on us yesterday. That was a beautiful trade. There was actually two trades in one, which was very beautiful. We had this short hitting, I think it was like around 5R, just under 5R. And then we had this one hitting just over 17R, just pretty good. And some people actually caught this one here, but we were really out for the day. They caught this one here. Yeah, that was pretty interesting. And then Euro GBP, we didn't post this one, but it went quite well as well. And then Euro JPY, this one was from a couple of days ago. Yeah, I think this was from Friday. Yeah, so wouldn't even count. And then GBP NZD, we didn't push it. And then also this one was not posted yesterday. But I remember we posted one just after hours, after our trading times. Or it was KJPY actually. I'm not sure how this one played out. But it looks like either people got stopped or they got out at break even. Yeah, so that's how it went yesterday. Do you guys have any specific pairs that we can look at for the day? Let's see what we can do. Just drop them on the side there and then we'll continue just now. see nobody's giving me page to look at, so let me just dive in and see what I can find on the markets today, and then hopefully we'll get some good pairs. Okay. So OCAD, let me just remove these. They don't really matter for us. Let's see what this is. OCAD. So OCAD on the daily, we don't really have a good point to work from. So this pair we are not really going to entertain. AUD Swiss franc also, there's nothing for us to look at there. There's a massive imbalance they created. And then AUD USD, we could have a potential trade on this one. I'll just take a look at it and then see what we've got. Just looking at the most recent price action and looking at what we can get from it. And then that's a pair that we'll be looking at. Let me just move these as well because we're starting everything from scratch. There we go. We're still on the daily, guys. So we just have to skim through the markets, try to get what we can find, remove all the unnecessary data, and then just take it from there. This one looks like a beautiful setup is forming as well. This one also looks like a beautiful setup is forming. Very nice one. This one I'm doubting it, but we will take a look and probably find something from it. And then this one I'm not really looking at trading. Also this one I'm not looking at trading. Any questions, guys, just drop them on the side as well. I'll take a look and then I'll definitely comment. And then, yeah, if you have a pair or something you guys want me to look at, I'll take a look as well. EN, nothing beautiful there. This one has got some very nice setup forming. And then USD, it looks like it has something forming. This one, there's nothing there. So guys, this is literally how I scan through the markets, trying to find some beautiful opportunities in the bigger time frame. And then I scroll down to find more in the lower time frame until I've got a pretty good, or should I say pretty decent option for me to trade. So that's how we run the day. That one is gone. We got it nicely yesterday. But it's gone. Also gold, we got a very nice position yesterday. Still waiting for another one. US oil. I haven't really traded this one as well. I'm actually gonna remove it from my watch list. I'm just gonna stick to these nuggets here. And then this is what we have so far. So I see Mr. Kuma wants me to look at gold. So we'll start with gold and see what we can find from it, and try and have some beautiful setups forming on it. This is on the daily. I'm going to scroll down to the 4 hour to see what we have on the 4 hour as well. So we've got two areas that we'll be looking at. We are looking at a sell, of course, for this one, but these wicks are not user friendly, but let's see what we can get there. Guys, don't forget to subscribe as well and like. We are almost at 100 subscribers. So yeah, let's see what we can find there. and then scroll down all the way to our entry level, and then we'll find a beautiful stop loss range here, and then see if you can't pick out a proper trade. Okay, so gold, we are looking at these two setups. So both are short, of course, and this one we're going to take it from that level. I don't know why these swapped, but okay, there we go. There we go. We're looking at something along these ranges. Smashing through that level, targeting this one here at the bottom. And then the second one, we are looking at also a short from the 50% zone there, and scroll all the way down, have a nice stop loss range, and then there we go. So this is the beautiful setup that we're looking at, and it looks like the first one will probably trigger just now, so you might as well start setting up your lots and ensure that you're not risking a lot. Risk management is key, guys. Do not forget that. Risk management is key. So that's what we have for gold. And remember, we need price to break into our zone and then come back down. So you don't put a limit, a sell limit. You want an order. So that's what we definitely want. I'm also setting up my positions on the side here. And then we'll probably get a nice entry. Okay. So this is gold. And then next pair, let's go back to AUD USD. On the AUD USD, what we have here is nice level. Actually just formed a nice wick just now, so we're not even looking far back. We should be worried about this candle as well, because there is a bit of a zone there as well. And then again, this one created that on there at the top, so you'll end up not stopping. So we're looking at the most recent action, and that's what we have so far. And then scroll down back into the 15, and then looking at price to get back into that zone, or take it out first and then drop. So that's what we want to see. So that's what we're looking at on the AUD USD on the 15, and then scroll back up to the hour. You'll find a beautiful level that we are looking at targeting, which is around that zone. We don't think it's gonna get there, but it's a point where we would say we have done pretty well. So that's where we are. There we go. Beautiful. So that's our AUD USD pair. We're going to do one more for the free live, and then the rest you'll find in the premium channel, of course. Let's see what we've got here. So here we've got a nice setup as well. And we're probably looking at using also the current level, but I'm just going to go back into that specific candle, and then find an area that I can have a nice stop loss range from, and then go back into the hour, and then that's what we have. Also a short, so targeting those levels. Stop loss range just above the current candles, And that's it, guys. Any questions that you guys have, drop them on the side there. I'll answer. And anything else, you can drop them on Telegram. And that's where we are, guys. That's where we are. There we go. Beautiful, guys. Any questions, guys? Any questions, drop them on the side there. Anyway, let's get the day started, and we'll take it from there. Happy trading, traders. Cheers.